No, I don't feel okay.
Why? You
People
just
are
won the
talking.
league, yeah.
Yes, but people are talking to say yes. After 14 years, it's a marble task. Thanks because they won the league. But people look at how did they win the league. They get 2 goals that were scored for them. Players that score those 2 goals are laughing inside the field as if they've done something good. But yes, killing their stay in the Elite League, which is the PSL. I don't know. I don't know what Orbit, what was the. Let me just pull out of it. I need to retract out of it.
Siyacela Nkosi yami abalandeli bePirates abathi ukwehlisa phela kancane ukuthuka ilegend leclub yabo. Hawu phela naye umbono wakhe lo mangabe ubona kwangazathi indlela ileague ewinwe ngayo iwina iPirates questionable. Mangabe yena ubona kanjalo umbono wakhe phela naye umlandeli webhola after all. Manje amabhakani iyabhiza ahlafuna ubaba uSikhosana la. Amhlafuna Raf baba uSikhosana but ayikho lento ekhulunywa baba uSikhosana. Ake nihlukane nobaba uSikhosana madoda. Ake nihlukane nobaba uSikhosana madoda. Oh!
And a defense check give me your stats when you're 21. They swallow everyone. Former player, legend, the latest is Jerry Sikhosana. It's questionable how they won the league. I'm a dear uncle Twitter.
Hasn't that to video yeah, the legendary Jerry Sikhosana where he was talking about Orlando Pirates winning the league after 14 years. And in that video, Bafethu, the legend Jerry Sikhosana is questioning how Orlando Pirates won the league against the Orbit College on the last day, right? He says Orbit College players, they scored 2 own goals and they are laughing on the pitch, Bafethu, like they are not playing for something. Because we all know what the Orbit College needed a draw in that game for them to be in the promotional playoffs, right? But he says those players, they were laughing like they are not playing for their status. So, Bafethu, I don't know. But what I picked up is legend, the Orlando Pirates, is questioning how Orlando Pirates won the league after 14 years. He says, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? And at the end of the video, he's trying to retract whatever he has said. But you know, Bafethu, he has said whatever he said, and the video is currently trending. What I'm going to say, Bafethu, if there's something about these games, because I heard Udli Tlokonono Siema, Eshonga Robert Marau, and Naye, Ebegabamba Yega, Bafethu, ngale game Mamelodi Sundowns versus Siwelele. If there's something in these games, Bafethu, iqiniso Leo Puma, that's what I know. Iqiniso Leo Puma, Bafethu. You get what I'm saying? But I don't know. Legend, the Orlando Pirates, is questioning how Orlando Pirates won the league. Asaz Bafethu, salute.
Where Jerry? Ke tlo bitsa Jerry because of what you've done. Where Jerry? Wa bona microphone ya o palela. Tswa mo yona. Tswa mo microphone ya o palela. Stay in your lane. No tsaba bolo. Very good football player. No one can take that away from you. An exceptional player, by the way. And we did mmereko mo serious, mo sharp go Orlando Pirates. And we're grateful for that. One today, one. Because of you guys' effort and commitment to the game, to the cause, to the team. Marano. So tsena mo di plekeng tse di upalang, Mike ya upalela. O gana ke leleme. So tswang mo di miking, tswang da yeo yona yeo tlo palela yeo. Tloela ntho tsa ma 2000 e tlo palela tswang da. A swena motho wa di social media wena tswa da. Lebala ka ntho e o focus straight mo ntho tse relevant le wena tse tsamayang le wena ibholo. Something you are good at, something you were good at, something you mastered. So utswa mo ntho tse a ke re o dlaletse ka 1995 wa re winner ra o fa 500 rand yao tswa mo rena o ka se tsamaya o hlahlata mo di social media o bolela ntho tse di sa making sense. No. You bringing our name into disrepute. You must put respect behind this badge. You were once wearing this badge, and if we know bona ngare gona le mathata o gona mkhonazi o butse musa sama o bonana le mkhonazi.
Oh madoda iyo phela legend yami lele yang support the Pirates.
Yiyo phela lebe ngisebenza nayo eHollywood Bets. Hayibo akodwa legend yami. Uyazi lithi nisezwala nje nomuntu bese kukhulumela into ongayitholi kahle. Into ongayiqondi kahle. Hey, it's too close to home kodwa kuthi angigadle. Ngigadle bafethu kwi legend ngizozwa ngani. Ngigadle kwi legend ekade wasumntu ezabalaza na legend. Sihamba Anton Lembede Street laphana ko Smith Street kuphi sasebenza lapha eHollywood sasebenza mina eHollywood Bets head office yona ngithi phela ibiyinxusa ambassador namanje cishe iyona sihamba ama trips ya Maritzburg so analyze ibhola le ko Peter Maritzburg sihamba Max's lifestyle ukuthi manje inkinga ama files ngiwazi kakhulu ngenze njani bafowethu ngizozwa ngani ngigadle ekhaya kwi legend yangisupport isibhakaneya kwi legend yagcina ukore hat-trick kwiSoweto Derby ngenze njani bafowethu ngigadle ekhaya phela ingumlandeli weChiefs kahle yona vele ngenze njani inkinga ngazi kakhulu ama file bafowethu mangigadla ayi kuzowanzima should vele ngesiphinde sizwane.
Bafethu, Jerry Skhosana. Legs of what? Legs of thunder. He was there when Pirates won the CAF Champions League. He was there in 95. He was he was amazing. And he scored a hat-trick in a derby. Imagine. Yo bafethu, angeke. Mara, Jerry Skhosana, uyakhala ngani mabhakaniya, uyakhala ngale ndlela enwine ileague ngayo. Yes, this Pirates legend is not happy with how Pirates won the league bafethu. Uthi ama own goal bafethu, ama own goal and futhi uthi labantu laba bakora ama own goal bebahleka. It's important also how you won it and he's not happy with how Pirates won it. What is your take on it? But ke okusalayo unfortunately whether kuyakhalwa or kuyahlekwa, ileague iwinwe iPirates bafethu yazi kuyayifanela nje.